today I will be teaching you Gatibheda. I have observed students often get confused with Charibheda and Gatibheda. Let us try to understand the meaning of Gatibheda. The word Gati has two meanings. First, the speed in terms of tal and lay. Second, the word Gati is derived from the word Gat, which means state, the state of a character. So we can say Gatibheda is the character walking style. Example, walking style of a tired person, walking style of a happy person, a walking style of an old man, a walking style of a young girl. Okay? Natya Shastra also explains this on these aspects. Whereas according to Abhinaya Darpanam book, it has been explained in terms of animals and birds' character walks. So we can say Charibheda simply explains the walking style but not the state of a character. Whereas Gatibheda explains the character walking style. Okay? I will be following Abhinaya Darpanam book and there are 10 variations according to this book. However, for some variations, the Hasta Mudra may not complement the style of walk. For example, in Mayurigati, we are not holding Mayura Hasta. According to the book, we are holding Kapita Hasta. I will be reading the exact words from the book and demonstrating in front of you. So let's start.
The first is Hansigati, that is swan step. The swan step is characterized when the body is slightly turned and steps are placed one by one at a distance and holding Kapita pose in the hands and walking like a swan. So I demonstrate it like this. Mayurigati, peacock step. Walking on toes and moving both the knees alternatively and the hands showing Kapita pose is the description of peacock pose. Next, Mrigigati, that is deer step. Deer step is characterized when the dancer runs alternatively in front and side like a deer with Tripataka pose in hand. So this is how we demonstrate. Next, Gajalilagati, that is elephant step. The elephant step is characterized when striding slowly and evenly on Samapada feet. The hands show Pataka held on the sides. So this is how I demonstrate. Next, Turanginigati, that is horse step. The horse step is characterized as the swift forward movement done after leaping with the right foot raised and the right hand showing Pataka pose and left hand Shikhara pose. Like this. Okay? Understood? Next, Sinhigati, that is lion step. The lion step is characterized when forward jumping movement is preceded by standing on toes and is repeated swiftly with both hands, depicting Shikhara pose. So this is how we demonstrate. We do a jump which is preceded by a standing position on toes and we swiftly repeat it again like this. Okay? Next, Bhujangigati, snake step. The snake step is defined to be similar to lion step with the hands displaying Tripataka pose held on both the sides. So I demonstrate Sinhigati with the legs like this and I hold Tripataka position in hands. So I recommend just add swing to your Sinhigati, that is lion step, to demonstrate a snake step. Don't make it very firm like a lion step. Add a little swaying gesture like this. Next, Mandukigati, that is frog step. A frog step is somewhat similar to lion step with hands showing Shikhara pose. So, I hold Shikhara position and I perform Sinhigati with a little mannerism of frog like this. Next, Viragati, that is majestic step. The majestic step is characterized by swift movement from a distance with left hand held in Shikhara and right hand holding Pataka. So this is how I demonstrate this action. Okay, next, Manvigati, that is human step. The circular movement with the human step is characterized. So, circular movement, we make a path, circular path. When the dancer in quick sequence moves, holding Kataka pose in the right hand and left hand held on the hip. Hold Kataka position in right hand and you have to perform a quick sequence in a circular movement. So this is how I demonstrate.